In this sketch, 99 circles are drawn on each frame in the draw method. In other words, the number of bubbles visible on the screen corresponds directly to the value 99. If you change 99 to 30, the bubbles become sparse and fewer. If you change it to 200, the bubbles increase and the image becomes denser. Similarly, the overall spread across the screen corresponds to the value 720. An important point here is that these numbers and variable names are not fixed in advance. They are chosen arbitrarily by the author. The program will still work if you change 99 to another value, and 720 can also be modified freely. It is also optional whether you define these values as named variables such as width or count, or write them directly as numbers. In other words, the numbers and variables in this sketch do not carry inherent meaning. Instead, they gain meaning through design, by how they are mapped to visual elements. For example, the part corresponding to the number of bubbles is written as for n equals 0, n less than 99, n plus plus. Here, 99 is written directly as a number, but it can also be defined as a variable such as count equals 99, and rewritten as for n equals 0, n less than count, n plus plus. Both have the same effect, but the latter makes the relationship explicit. This value represents the number of bubbles. If you set count to 30, the bubbles decrease. If you set it to 200, they increase. This relationship becomes easier to understand intuitively. Likewise, the value 720, which determines the spread across the screen, can be written directly as create canvas 720 720, or defined as variables such as width equals 720 and height equals 720, and used as create canvas with height. In this case, changing width or height will directly affect the range in which the circles are distributed. In this way, whether you write numbers directly or define them as meaningful variables is entirely optional. However, by expressing them with an awareness of which visual elements they correspond to, the relationship between the structure of the code and its visual output becomes much easier to understand.